is because I need you to understand what is a good setup versus what's a bad setup.
FXH, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And in this video guys, I wanted to answer a simple question that I get asked a lot. And that is there a difference between the type 1 and type 2 patterns? Where is the cutoff to where a type 2 pattern becomes a type 1 or vice versa? I get a lot of traders that get confused as to how far up high would I consider a type 2 pattern once it gets past the Asian range, because there are some times where type 2 patterns do develop right on top of the Asian range or right a little bit right above it. And so there's a lot of confusion about it. So hopefully I can answer this question for you really fast in this video and hopefully give you more clarity on it. I actually got this question asked a long time ago in one of my group sessions. So I'm going to go ahead and share that with you so you can get the answer to that particular question. So I hope you enjoy the video, guys. And without further ado, let's get this started.
My question is, so I know type 1s should go up like 25 pips up to 50 outside the Asian range. Is there a cutoff on like type 2s? Because it looks like that's where I'm kind of getting stuck, because it goes above the Asian range, but it's still kind of touching the top. But sometimes those candles are, 15 pips or so, and I'm like, is it
Yeah,
a
I
type?
think that, when it comes to type 2s, the best advice that I give you, man, it's like it's not a perfect science, right? So if you look at something like this, type 1s, you want type 1s to move away completely from this range, whereas type 2s like to stick around here. And
Okay.
so if you look at something like this, let's say if this was gold, for example, right? This little move here on gold, this right here would be like 100 pips, right? Where on pound USD might only be 15, you know? So something like this, that's right on top of the Asian high, you can still consider it a type 2 trade. As long as you get the right trade set up, that's all that matters. But type 1s, you really want these type 1s to go like this, because they extend out, you know what I mean, past the Asian range by at least like what you were saying, 25 pips plus. But stuff like this that's hanging out at the top here, the range, you can still consider those a type 2. That's fine. The type 1s, really, they move outside of this. They don't want to be anywhere near this range at all. The real important thing, that why we take so much time, why you did so many examples, is because I need you to understand what is a good setup versus what's a bad setup. If you understand the difference of what's a good versus a bad setup, then you'll know what to take and what not to take. And so we want to focus on the very best ones. So at the end of the week, man, if you're doing this correctly, you should have probably about maybe 3 to 4 really good freaking trades. And that's what you want. You're not looking for 10 a day. You're not looking for 4 a day. You're literally looking for 3 to 4 a week. That's it. And if you can consistently get that 3 to 4 a week at 30 pips you can turn into whatever you want. The only thing that determines how much money you're making on 30 pips is solely based off of your account size. So 30 pips could be $3. It could be 30. It could be 300. It could be 3,000. The only difference between any of these numbers is literally your account size.
So there you go, guys. There's the answer for that specific question. I hope it brought you some value. Guys, if you like content like this, or if you'd like me to answer questions like this, please let me know in the comments below. Please like the video, guys, so we can keep making more of these videos for you and bring you as much value as possible. Thank you guys so much. Enjoy the rest of the week. Trade safe and trade consistently. Guys, if you need any more help, join us on FXN Plus. It's available right now on fxntrading.com. You'll get a lot of different value from FXN Plus. For example, blueprint videos, 9 sessions, 14 hours long, over 100 hours right now of group session videos from the past 2 years. Over 100 hours we're up to right now on these sessions. You also get weekly sessions every Sunday. Ask as many questions as you want. I actually give a weekly analysis during those sessions, and I also give a midweek analysis that I put up on the website for everyone to see as well. You get access to the MT4 and MT5 indicators that everyone asked for. That's how you get access to them. Private group, trading plan, custom trading journal. I mean, everything you could possibly want is on FXN Plus. Guys, join us there. If you need any more help, we'll be more than happy to help you. We'll see you on FXN Plus.